If you want your Redmi Watch 6 to count steps, it is very simple, and all you have to do is you need to simply put the watch on your wrist. You want to start wearing the watch, and then you can start walking, and the watch is going to count steps for you automatically. You don't have to enable anything, you don't have to go through settings in order to make sure that all your steps are going to be counted. And usually over here, if you have this default watch face, then you can find steps. Over here we have this yellow bar. I believe I can call it a bar. This is of course the indicator of steps that you made throughout the day. But what you can also do is you can go to apps, and you should be able to open the stats app over here. And then here we can see how many steps we have taken today as well. But besides that, what you can also do is on the Mi Fitness or Mi Fitness app, once you open it and go to device and choose your watch, and then you should be able to go to fitness and health. Then over here we can go to stats, and here we have the steps counter. And to be precise, it is not maybe a steps counter, but you can choose how many steps you want to do daily. So when you reach that goal, your watch is going to inform you about it. So essentially you can adjust how many steps you want to do per day, and you can adjust it here quite easily. You can also do the same thing with calories, for example. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.